Hello everyone, this is Bats3177 here, and today I got another package, and this is from highbasketballshoes.com. They are like an official reseller for those China brands like Leaning, Anta. So today, of course, I got myself a pair of Antas here. So it comes in this nice NBA box, with all the NBA logos. For those who don't know, the NBA is actually an official partner of Anta. So Anta actually release NBA products. Anta.com, blah blah blah, whatever. Here's the size tag, 10 and a half, Chinese words. It actually says Anta Basketball Series, men's basketball shoes. I'm Chinese, so I can read that. So colorway is blue, black, Anta white. So yeah, official retail is $3.99. I have no idea what currency that is. Probably China currency. And here they got a sticker that says official merchandise. So I actually got a shirt in my order. So there isn't a shirt in the box. So I assume that they put it inside. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Yeah. What the? Oh, okay. Oh. Alright. Let's stick together. Yeah, it's tearing my paper. Let me just show you guys the shirt that I got first. Anta bag, size M. Paper. Just give me a second, let me just place this out. Some more paper. Here it is. It's a Rondo shirt. Got the Anta logo right here. Size M, Anta Sports. Control the game. Got a graphic of Rondo right here. Really nice. That's probably a picture from when he was in Dallas. So, back to the shoes, which is what we're actually here for. And here it is. And these are actually the Anta RR4s, which is Rondo's fourth signature shoe. So for those who don't know, Rondo is my favorite player. So I had to get his shoes. Here they are. Well, they're actually really nice in person. From those pictures I saw online, they actually look kind of hideous. Honestly, the only reason I got it is because I'm a Rondo fan, and I want to collect his shoes. So I got like a lot of Anta Rondos here. I got another video that shows my entire collection. So this is like the latest addition to my collection. So yeah, as I said, I only wanted these to add to my collection. I actually didn't like the way it looks on pictures, but now in person it actually looks kind of cool. It's kind of nice. So looking around the shoe, you got the Anta 5-toe traction, or is that what they call it? Then you got this plate right here. Can see it says Auto Arch. Not sure if you can see it. There you go. That's nice. And then the upper, they got this mesh material. Intel logo right here. Rondo's logo. Got these laces. And then the Rondo logo. Inside you got Rondo's logo again. Size tag. US 10.5 Anta. The other side, exactly the same Anta logo. And they got this tag here. So they explain the traction, control 5WD. TPU. Talks about the technology on the shoe. Rajon Rondo. So they're saying what? Right. So I guess my Chinese is not that good. I can't really read a lot of the words. Rondo is basketball player, control, point guard, or whatever. Yeah, it's just some stuff about Rondo. Anta China Co, whatever. Yeah, so it's a real nice shoe. These are, like I said, Rondo's fourth signature shoe. It's the one that it's his latest signature shoe. It's the one that he's wearing for the current season, except at the back on Rondo's pair that you see him wear, they got like that heel counter. So everything else is the same as Rondo's pair, except for that heel counter. Rondo's pair have that heel counter. This one though doesn't have anything. It just has his Rondo logo. So that's the only difference from Rondo's actual pair, but everything else is pretty much the same. So there we have it. Anta RR Force.